Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and someone did come up to the comments and tell me that his PC is part of the PCs that have not rebooted after the Patch Tuesday updates of January 2026 on Windows 11. It's only the Windows 11 update that made this happen. Microsoft acknowledges that it's an issue, that some are getting a unmountable boot device, which means that there's some corruption on the drive, on the hard drive, after the Patch Tuesday update of January 2026. The comment that I got actually says exactly what Microsoft wants you to know. It's there is a way to recover by using the recovery mode. So when your PC will crash, if you have this problem, you get the black screen of death, and it will eventually send you to the recovery mode, and you can use the recovery environment to fix the problem. Apparently it works well, and then you come back into Windows. Now, we all know that some people don't have a Windows recovery environment. Some people that just don't have it, or if you have the problem with the Windows recovery and you hide the updates that we talked about, it's possible that your Windows recovery might not work in this case. So Microsoft says, well, the other option will be to use a image of Windows and reinstall a clean install of Windows to fix the problem. But yeah, it's part of the many issues that Microsoft has caused some users. This is specific to Windows 11 for the black screen of death. Windows 10 also had issues, but did different issues. So hopefully you're not part of one of those. But Microsoft does acknowledge that a small, and they do say it's a very small subset of users with very specific hardware, apparently, that would be hit by this issue after the Patch Tuesday updates. And in a question that some have asked, should I uninstall this update with all the problems? Well, if you don't have any issues, there's no reason to uninstall it. It is fine for the majority of people. Now, we talked a lot about the problems this month, but overall, the majority of people do not have the issue. So it's really bigger than normal in the terms of problems, but it's not everybody that has problems. I don't have any problems with my PCs here on Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.